Good morning, guys. Today we're discussing about how to convert polar to rectangular coordinate and rectangular to polar coordinate. Let's take me some example to convert that polar to rectangular, vice versa, in calculator, scientific calculator. Let's begin the topic. Okay, let's consider this example. I think you can see this. We take example as in polar form to rectangular form. Here is the example. Let's take root 2 angle 45 degree, which how to convert this into rectangular coordinate. Let do it in calculator. You can see here there is an option called here that I can see in larger. Okay, you can see this in plus. No, it is polar coordinate and here is negative in rectangular coordinate. Let's do it with some example. Okay, let first of all you to convert this mode into like you press this shift and then plus. You can get this polar option. In this uh, you put the rectangular coordinates. Let's put 1 comma 1 shift comma 1 and close the bracket, and here it is. You can get this value as 1.412 and 45 degree. Here is no 45 degree. That 1.412 is like it is in root 2, no, and theta is equal to 45 degree. Here it is a rectangular coordinate, no, which we converted 1.412 and we get 45 degree, and you know that root 2 is an 1.4142. Let convert this into rectangular coordinate. That let's take same example. To convert rectangular coordinate, we press the first one shift, and here is no rectangular minus, shift minus. You can get rectangular and you place the value, the polar coordinate values, like let's take 1.4142 comma sorry comma 45 degree. Let's make sure that the calculator in degree radian. If you want to calculate in calculate in radian, you should convert into radian mode and then calculate. So most of the students are answer is wrong due to this conversion. So make sure that you are supposed to do in the degree radian. You can see the degree in radian, and you got the value as 0.09 and y is 0.09 exactly, which is nearly equal to 1 comma 1. So this can be written as root 2 45 degree in the rectangular line 1.1 plus j. Let we calculate in theoretical also. Let do with this by taking a simple example. Let do in a common or normal form, and how it can be do. Let take the rectangular form as x plus jy, and which convert polar. If we convert a polar form, then the magnitude of that value is under root of x square plus y square, and angle is theta is equal to tan inverse y by x. Let take on some example. Let example is 1.2j. If I take the magnitude as under root of 1 square plus 2 square is equal to 1 plus 4, which we get the value as root 5, and which is nearly equal to 2.2360, and angle we calculate as tan inverse y by x. Here the y equal to 2 and x equal to 1. That put the values in the equation. Then you get tan inverse 2 by 1, and tan inverse 2 is 63.434, and at last the polar form is 2.2360, 63.43. I hope you got I hope that got this idea, and thank you all.